Welcome to ETFs Explained and how to use them. My name is Glenn, and in this video, we will demystify the world of ETFs or exchange traded funds and show you how to use them to your advantage. So let's jump right in. First things first, what is an ETF? Well, think of it as a basket of different securities such as stocks, bonds, or commodities all rolled into one. Instead of buying an individual stock, you can invest in an ETF and gain exposure to a diverse range of assets. It's like a mini portfolio in a single investment. Now, how do you use them? It's rather simple. Just like buying a stock, you can purchase shares of an ETF through your brokerage account. It's as easy as a few clicks. Now, ETFs offer benefits such as diversification, as they encompass various assets and sectors. They also provide liquidity, meaning you can easily buy or sell shares at the market prices throughout the trading day. Plus, you can access ETFs that track specific indexes, industries, or themes, giving you exposure to areas that interest you. Another advantage of ETF is that they're low cost. Compared to mutual funds, ETFs typically have lower expense ratios, saving you money in the long run. Plus, some ETFs even offer tax advantages. Bear in mind that ETF prices can fluctuate throughout the trading day, just like stocks. While this can provide opportunities, it is important to do your research and understand the underlying assets before investing. Additionally, consider your investment goals and risk tolerance when choosing an ETF. In conclusion, ETFs are an excellent tool for investors, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader. They offer diversification, liquidity, lower costs, and access to various market segments. Now that you know the basics, you can begin exploring the world of ETFs and take advantage of their benefits. Let's get into the software. So, a customer during this week at a live event in Atlanta said, Glenn, you need to do another video on the ETF pairs, the bullish and the bearish pairs. So as I did some analysis, I found out something very interesting about what's going on in the market. Stick with me to the end and I will divulge that information. Right now, I'm looking at the bearish side, and I'm going to use the near perfect indicator to track whether or not these are the stocks that I want to get into or not. Something that caught my attention. I've got LABD, SRTY for the Russell, small cap TZA, and dividends, Schwab, SCHD as well. Notice something, because they're ETFs, the RVs and RS are going to be at 1. Look at their RTs. This is the bearish side, and all of the RTs are nicely up with the exception of SCHD, which is just barely above the value of 1. But they're in uptrends. Let's go do a graph of all of these real quick. Put them 3-month graph. I'm going to change my layout to the MPI, or the near perfect indicator. As you know, I've been using this a lot. LABD, which is the short side of the biotech. Notice nice long trend in play. The right time to be in is now by RT. It is above, the 5 is above the 40. So a good play right now. It has pulled off for the last 2 days, but the trend is intact and it hasn't given me a short-term signal to get out just quite yet. Also on the bearish side, SRTY, the ultra shorts for the Russell. Nicely in trend, coming off a level of support, moving up, down day to day, but trend is still in place. I haven't gotten a signal to get out of it yet. Going into the next one, TZA looks just like it, small caps, in an uptrend, got a trend, no signal to get out yet. And the last one is the Schwab one. This is the more aggressive play. We've got a signal to get in, no trend in track, but it could be rebounding off of this downtrend as of most recently. So this is one I would keep my eyes on. The other 3 for the short side, if you're still playing the short side of the market, are still okay, but I'd still keep my eyes on it. Let's go to the bullish side. So this is what I'm going to divulge. In the current market's condition, I found more bullish ETFs to take advantage of than the bearish ETFs. Could that be the onset of the market giving me more of a sustained uptrend? Not sure, but I'm letting the ETFs do the work. I've got oil, I've got energy, I've got natural gas. Yes, I've got gold, I've got oil, and I've got the semiconductors as well. These are giving me signals or possible signals to get in. Let's go click on graph all, put this on a 3-month graph. Here's oil. Even on the rebound, on the pullback and now rebounding, trend is still intact. No early entry though, but the trend is there and oil has been on a rise. It's pulled back. A lot of people saying, you know, I need to get out of oil. I just did a live stream today talking about if Iran gets involved in the Israeli-Hamas fight, watch oil, all right? Let's go to the next one, which is UCO, another oil play. Still not an opportunity short-term to get in, but if you're still holding, the trend is still intact. Couple of gaps that have not been faded. I'd like to see if we can get to the 3-month high. Looking at energy, still not a signal to get in right now, but look at trend, held its course. And this is why I like this setup. For those people who are longer term, it will not make you be knee-jerk reactionary, nicely coming back right now. Here's Boyle, one of the most volatile stocks in this space, can still be used by way of the near perfect indicator. Trend is in play, pulling back, not a signal to get out yet. You've got to have an iron constitution to play this ETF. Let's go to gold. Now, no trend, early entry, moving higher. And I just did in my live stream today why gold stocks move in war situations. Hopefully you had an opportunity to do so. Look at it live, or if not, it's on the YouTube channel for you to take a look at. Next one is another oil play. Oil still holding its trend. Not an early entry. Did get you out. Got you out. Now, if you're short term, let's wait for the 5 to go above the 40 on RT. And last but not least, SOXL. I just did a video on AI stocks. Look at the early entry. Leveling out. No trend as of yet. Folks, I wanted to make this a short and sweet video and looking at the stocks, whether bullish or bearish, ETF or exchange traded funds. Another reason why I like these is because it reduces your risk when you're in these stocks, because you're only playing a whole space and not an individual stock. Remember, these are made up of a lot of stocks or industries and things of that nature. I like these plays because you're not exposed to a ton of risk. And I love using the MPI as a way to let me know when it's the right time to be, whether bullish or bearish, on exchange traded funds. Folks, this was, again, a video that a customer brought up to me to use. I'm happy to have been able to do it. If you like the video, if you like the content, hit the like button. If you're brand new to the channel and you like the content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Folks, this video is over. And until then, next time, see ya. Hey, VV Nation, do you want to increase your profits and generate income? Well, you can. For 99 cents, we'll give you access to the VectorVest system for 30 days. And guess what? It's a money-back guarantee. If you don't like it, we'll give you back your 99 cents. But folks, you're going to have access to the best software out there, the best guidance at any price. All you have to do is go to www.vectorvest.com/YT. Folks, it's a no-brainer. Go there right now and take advantage of your 30-day trial for 99 cents.